So, got a relocated oil filter, temperature probe, vacuum sensor. Oil filter sure looks big, don't it? So what's the verdict? Well, I think the verdict is, it works!